Hello, Min Gyu. Let me shortly explain 7 technical engineering suggestions for solve a problem about reduce humidity our food waste from 6% humidity until 40 or better 20% humidity. Our machine, current version of machine you can see in this picture, I not will be explaining it detail. You remember success experiment at 18 June with good quality milling, and you remember every circumstance. According to analysis of working of machine, we can define several important elements in our machine. Element number 1, it is auger. Element number 2, you can see cylindrical metal chamber for create pressure. It is a conical metal element with 4 ribs. Next, it is several channel for delivering and for squeezing through this channel our mass. And last part, it is flat silicone, elastic silicone flat. Step by step, we will consider every part, and for every part, we will create several engineering suggestions, and it will be logic of our project. First of all, we will think about heating, because heating maybe can create biggest contribution in success result of the future machine. And very easy version for create heating, it is application of hot air from fan. No, looks like as existing product in the market, heater for window in the car. But let me show our system for search several solutions in our report. We apply constantly function-oriented search, but our function-oriented search have 9 criteria for robot searching, and it's dramatically accelerate our execution of the projects. And you can see several alternative systems who can to be candidate for to be the useful prototype during creation of new machine. No, induction heating, magnetron drying of wood, drying of soil by using of electrical fields, and very interesting prototype, clinker. Clinker, it is machine for manufacturing of the cement. It is our prototypes. A little bit more detail about application of magnetron drying of wood. You can see long explanation in Korean language and shortly explanation in my GIF animation. Okay, next prototype from database function-oriented search. It can be fan looks like as I forgot name of this guys. No, I show you. Dyson. And you can see description of concept looks like as Dyson. Not so much difficult, not necessary spend long time for explain it. Next, we will use cement clinker machine as prototype, and we can create this version of solution. And by the way, let me say a couple words. In this case, this technology can to be alternative solution for auger, because what adventure of this solution? Ogre obligatory necessary clean every evening after close of restaurant. But in this case, we have thermal heating. We have a tube with ribs with silicone cover, and not necessary spend huge amount of the time for cleaning. It is important. Next version for removed of the water from compacted cake. We can apply electroosmosis pump principle of operation. In this case, we have two prototypes. One prototype, it is electroosmotic pump, and main prototype, it is drying of soils. One prototype located, first prototype located in construction area, second prototype located in medicine area, in medicine technologies, and we have big experience in application of electroosmotic pump. 3 years ago, we had some project and we obtained this experience. We know this machine work well, and we apply this machine in medicine equipment. It is syringe for diabetes, robotical syringe for diabetical patients, and electroosmotic pump was applied for purified water instead of mechanical solutions. It is evidence regarding to low application of the energy, because this syringe, it is robotic machine, and patient can apply this syringe during 4 days. It was reason why our customers select this solution, and we had improve this solution. Next idea is very easy. We will think about modify channel, and maybe more easy explain in this picture. Our initial version in left part, our recommended version in right part. We can increase amount of the channel for increase level of the pressure in this element of machine. Next element, it is conical chamber for extract moisture from food waste. And again, we can increase amount of the ribs, and we can little bit change angle for increase pressure. Increasing compression in conical compression chamber. And last concept in my explanation, how we can improve this silicone flat. No, trivial solution, we can increase thickness, we can increase amount of flexible elements for obtain homogeneity in mechanical area, or we can install metal spring and apply this metal spring together with silicone flat. Maybe it can increase durability for this element, because this element have big injury. That's all. If you will have the question, call to me. I will clarify every concept. Thank you very much for your attention.